I was working with a client, Winton, recently, and the concern was they had to be tied to their desk all of the time, waiting for proposals, answers to proposals, or they'd miss out on a good, job opportunity. And what I shared with them is that there are actually a couple of apps that you can download on your phone for free. And one of them is the Upwork Talent app. Now, there's two apps there, the Talent app and the Client app. The Talent app is for people like us. We're talented and we're willing to give our services for money.
Yes,
And then we have the Client app, where if you were to like subcontract out, like hire somebody to do the job you were hired to do. So, as not to be confused, we're looking at the Upwork Talent app. And we're looking at the ChatGPT app. So ChatGPT is our AI, our artificial intelligence tool. And there's an app on your phone. And when you're looking for it, it gives you lots of ways to just start a new chat or ask it questions right away. So what we
excellent.
did with this particular person is we decided to go right into the app. And so I'm going to start a little video. If you watch the left side of your screen, you're going to see a little video running where we wanted to look at travel planning opportunities. So I'm on the Upwork app. I entered travel itinerary. And just like you would on Facebook, I'm using my thumb to scroll down and look for some opportunities that looked interesting to my coachee. And then we put a little heart on them just to kind of save them. So this is something we're doing really quickly. We're just scrolling through looking for opportunities. And what we're finding is in just under 1 minute, we're able to find three potential jobs. And we don't have to be tied to our computer to do it. So I might be out and about. I might be waiting in line at the grocery store, sitting at the gas station. Wherever you hang out for a couple of minutes, you can at least go in and make sure you don't miss out on the opportunity for a job that you might be interested in. So it works just the same way as it would on your laptop or computer, except on a little smaller screen. Then the next thing we did, she was concerned that she wouldn't know what to do once she got into the travel planning job. So we asked ChatGPT or AI on the fly, well, what's a list of the best ideas for creating a travel itinerary? So within the Chat GPT app, there she goes. Oh my goodness. Starts to scroll down. And what starts doing is we're starting to get a bunch of ideas on different ways that you could be of service to your client. Because I know all of you are great travel planners because everybody out there travels. But once we think somebody's going to pay us to do something, we lose our confidence. So this is a great confidence booster. And it gives us just some ideas to jog our memory on some things we could do to help create a nice, well-rounded itinerary. So that's just like a couple of ideas. There's so many ways to use ChatGPT.
Yes, I would just add that at this very moment, you could put in there, uh, give me questions to ask my client to elicit these responses. And ChatGPT will print you out a list of however many items there were there, 10,
Yeah.
12 different items. So great.
And I've actually created a little checklist for them, Winton, that we could talk about whenever you're ready, that they could
Yes,
download. And
yes,
it'll give
fire
them
away.
some top ways to use ChatGPT to kind of grow their freelancing career.